In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Airtable. We're going to walk through the entire process together, step by step, so that by the end, you'll know exactly how to get the Airtable app onto your computer or mobile device. Start by opening your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Safari, Edge, or anything you normally use. In the address bar at the top, go to google.com. Once Google has loaded, click into the search bar in the middle of the page and type in Airtable download. Then press enter on your keyboard or click the search icon. Google will now show you a list of results related to Airtable. Look for the result that has the Airtable logo and the meta title that says downloads. This is usually one of the first results on the page, often right at the top. Take a moment to double check that the link is from Airtable's official website, so you know you're downloading from a trusted source, and then click that downloads link. You'll be taken to Airtable's official downloads page. Here you'll see several options, depending on what kind of device you're using. There will typically be desktop options for macOS and Windows, and mobile options for Apple devices through the App Store, and Android devices through Google Play. This is where you choose the version of Airtable that matches your device or operating system. Now, click on the download link for your specific software or device. For example, if you're on a Mac, you would click on the option that says something like Download macOS app. If you're using Windows, choose the Windows version instead. On mobile, you'll be redirected to the appropriate App Store page where you can download the app just like any other application. Sometimes, after you click the download link, the download might not start right away. If that happens, look for a message on the page that says something like, click here to try again. Go ahead and click that link to manually restart the download process. Once the download has started, you should see it in your browser's download area. On many browsers, this appears in the top right corner as a small download icon that shows your progress. Wait for the file to finish downloading, and from there, you'll be ready to open the install.